How to unsave pins on Pinterest. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can simply unsave pins on Pinterest. So for that, what you have to do is first go onto your Play Store if you're a Samsung or Android user and search for Pinterest and make sure it's updated because the new features won't be available on the previous versions of Pinterest. And if you're an Apple or any other user, you just have to do it as well on your respective apps galleries because the same thing implies. So now you're gonna go and open up the Pinterest. Once you do so, you see that this is of a kind of a page that would appear up as a home page. So you just have to go and tap on the profile, but that is at the right bottom corner of your screen. That would have your profile picture. Once you tap on it, you see this is it. There are two pins. So once I get into it, I have saved these ones. So I'll simply go into this one and I'll go at the top right corner where this three dotted bar freelance icon is there. Once I tap on it, there's this option of in the manage to edit pin. I'll tap on it. Once I tap on it, you see that there's options of description. You see this text, you can add note to self. There's this advanced setting which would tell you that show similar products, and just beneath that there is this delete this pin. Once you delete this pin, so as I've done that, it is gone. Now you have unsaved pins on Pinterest, and this is how you do it. This is how you simply unsave a pin on Pinterest. And if you guys still have any question or query, just ask in the comments down below. I'd love to answer that. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe the YouTube channel. With that being said, see you next time. Peace.